there's always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms.
Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains, North Carolina. Tonight, I got this. This is the Snap-Fresh cordless reciprocating saw, part number BBT-JOL01. It's a saw. There's not a lot to say about that, is there? Cordless Sawzall, and I happen to need one, and well, before I even open it up, let me show you. This is what I've had for all these years, a Ryobi, one of the original Ryobis, a blue Ryobi 18 volt. What part number is that? I don't even know the part number. I think it's kind of been rubbed off there a little bit, but it's still functional, but it smokes. So it won't be functional for too much longer, if you know what I mean. So I was in the market for one of these. I do own a lot of Ryobi tools. In fact, I've done some videos on Ryobi tools, but I also own power tools from other companies. So anyway, these folks reached out to me and said, hey, is there anything, you know, battery power that you're looking for? Now I have pretty much everything that I need at this point, but I did need a replacement for that. So I said, sure, go ahead and send it to me. So here it is. I'm gonna open this thing up and we'll take a look at it. Might even do kind of a side-by-side comparison with old Smokey over there. We'll see how that plays out, but here it is. I'll just go ahead and say that it's definitely smaller than the Ryobi. At least I think it is. Yeah, it's definitely smaller. And that's probably technology, 20 years worth of technology. The color kind of reminds me of new Ryobi tools there, but Snap-Fresh is the brand. It's got a safety here, it looks like. Trigger there. Looks like our battery slides in down here. It's got an Allen key. I'm not sure why it has an Allen key. Maybe to tighten up that. This here looks like the blades just get on and off like that, but I guess we'll find that out in a second. Let me set this aside. We'll see what else comes in the package. Slide that out of the way there. Okay, let's see here. Looks like it came with some blades. That's always nice. Yeah, so some like super rough cut. That'd be literally for like cutting down trees. Here's our regular wood saw or soft metal or soft saw. And then it looks like we got a variety of, yeah, there's an in-between. Wow, it comes with a little bit of everything. And there's a metal cutting saw and a fine-tooth metal cutting saw. So that was really nice of them to include all that. You know, think about it, like a single blade is like $8 or $9. And I know this because I've bought blades recently. Alright, let's see what's in here. I imagine it's hopefully the battery and the charger for it. Now, I don't know if this is a slow charger or a fast charger. We're about to find out. Alright. So there's our charger, 20 volt kit. So it's a little more powerful than the Ryobi. And says it takes for a 2 amp battery 1 hour. So that's not bad to charge. That's about normal for lithium. Yeah, lithium ion. So that's really nice. Okay, so you know, you never know. Lithium ion battery, that's a cool thing to have on there. I wonder if it comes pre-charged. Well, what do you know? It sure does. Alright, so we won't have to go through the charging, so I'll go ahead and make this whole video here today. But let's go ahead. We'll slide this thing in here. Okay. And I'm going to put in like the super rough cut blade. And let's go outside and saw some stuff. What do you say? We'll get this really rough cut blade in here. And that to install it looks really simple. You just slide that over and there it is. It locks in. So that's really cool. Oh, it's got an LED up there too. See that? That's nice. Alright, let's give it a second. Let's go outside and chop some wood. Alright, so I've got the old Ryobi here. Now it's got a 4 amp hour battery. But again, it's smoking. The motor's about done. And I got the brand new Snap-Fresh here. So right now with the extreme rough cut here, let's go ahead and see how well it saws through this board. Yeah, straight up butter. For comparison, let's use this. This blade here is only about 3 hours old, or not 3 hours old, three jobs old, so it should be okay. You know, well, it takes a little more effort with the Ryobi, but again, it's very old. Also, the tooth pattern is not quite as aggressive as this other one. So let me go in and I'll switch these out for metal blades, and let's see how the Snap Fresh handles cutting through steel. Okay, let's go ahead and switch these over. This Ryobi one has this pull-up lever. Kind of takes it out, but they take the same blades. And I've got a metal blade. The paint's come off of that, but that blade should still be in good shape. And that locks in, so fairly simple. And with the new Snap Fresh, it looks like just a little different. You got that lever there you pull to remove. Got my new blade. Slap that in there, and it's the same process, right? Okay, let me go grab my piece of steel. All right, here we go. I'm going to cut that right about there with this new one here, and let's see how well that works. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, I'd say I'm pretty happy with that. For comparison with the older Ryobi 18 volt, we'll cut that, try to even that up. Cool. Yeah. All right. Well, you know, like a lot of things these days, you just never know what you're going to get. In the case of the Snap Fresh, I'm pretty darn happy. I mean, it's lithium-ion battery, which means it's going to last a long time. Weighs less than your conventional battery. It's compact, and it works. I guess what else can you say about it? It just works. So pretty cool. I'm happy with that. Thanks to Snap Fresh for sending that to me. This one stays in the tools for myself here, and I appreciate that. You can get more batteries on Amazon, and they also sell some other stuff. So it may be that, you know, when it comes time to replace certain tools, if they want to work with me again, or if they have a good deal going on at the time, I might pick up some more of these Snap Fresh. So that's it for today. I'm Eric, the owner of Farpoint Farms. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, perhaps you'll think about liking and subscribing. I'll see you next time. Take care.